It's a 2019 Honda Fit. Aerodynamic outside and airy inside, the Fit is efficient in its use of fuel and space, so you get the most out of your drive. Features include inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Honda Link selective service internet access, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Edmunds.com adds, if there's one thing this Honda is known for after all, it's the incredible amount of stuff you can fit inside its pint-sized hatchback body. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Take it for a test drive today.